Got some very corroded bullets here. We're going to try tumbling them with stainless steel pins. And I've got a little mixture of vinegar, a little bit of soap, dish soap, water, and I soaked some lemon peel or orange peels. We're gonna tumble these and we'll see what happens, see if it makes a difference. Might as well pour this in. What I did was I soaked the oranges. I soaked them in vinegar and water overnight to get the citric acid out. It actually makes quite a difference right away, but we'll tumble it first and then I'll let you see it.
I've watched this beaver tumbler and it's been working pretty good. You see right now the door for tumbling in with stainless steel pins. We're going to leave it an hour and we'll see how they turn out.
Alright, take them out of the stainless steel pins. Kind of a pain. I just run them out of a little bit of water here. Actually, they're looking pretty good. These are quite the 7mm barns. I think they're an LRX. Actually does a pretty good job with the cases too. And then the projectiles are actually pretty nice. There's a few stains on them, but a lot better than what they were. I tumbled them for about an hour and a half total. Those barns were pretty ugly looking. They're still kind of a little bit tarnished, but they'll work. Okay, you're probably sick of looking at that. Now here's a bunch that I did. I took out and I dried. These are the nozzle repetition. These are Sierra Game King. They're all 7mm. These are the 25 caliber nozzle partitions, and these are the Barnes. Oh, and I have these ones too. They're Hornady boat tails. So actually I think they turned out pretty good from the condition that they were in. Hope you like the video. Let me know what you think. Thanks. See you again.